back down at these falls. Last time I was down here, it was raging because of the flood. Well, not flood, just the rain. All these rocks were under. It was all crazy. If you remember that one video. Now it's all calm. And these are what the falls look like on the other day. Sit here and listen to it all day. I've said it before. I mean, that's why I come down here. Alright, well there's a short. I just wanted to show you these falls in their normal state, not in the rain. And one little quick thing, you know. Do y'all ever just feel like a plastic bag just floating down current? You know, just going with the flow. That's me, you know. Going with the flow. I'm not the creek cutting out its own path. I'm the bag just floating on top. There's some poetry for you, y'all. Alright, whatever. Alright, well, stay stoned. I'll leave you with that.